Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to be doing a Dutch pour on 2 panels. These are both 7 by 14. I have them at an angle that I kind of want to do the Dutch pour in that direction. I have mixed up my own base coat. This is a first for me. I usually do base coats in white or black or gray. I've never done a color background, so this will be my first experience with that. I have mixed that is Liquitex Cobalt Blue mixed with Liquitex Iridescent White, and I can't find the two at this very second. And what I've done is I've taken that base coat and I've added some Arteza's Prussian Blue to come up with a darker shade. And I've added some more of the iridescent white to come up with this shade. And then I took some white and mixed in some Arteza silver to come up with this color. And then I have just a basic white. I'm very excited to be using my new hair dryer. Very excited. So I'm going to flood my canvases and I'll be right back. Hi guys, I wanted to pop in here real quick while I was blowing this out. As many of you know, I have been struggling with my Dutch pours, and I want to give a big shout out to the Left Brained Artist. If you haven't checked out his channel, you really should. He gives amazing tips and tricks on all different techniques and pouring mediums. It's just amazing. He was able to give me some great advice on my Dutch pours, and I think I'm back on top of it. So check him out, Left Brained Artist. So I'm just going to pop any air bubbles. Start our pour. Like I said, I'm going to kind of go that way. I think I want this more in the middle and that closer to the top. And I think I'm going to start with the lighter blue. I'm going to start off the canvas so my line will be straight in the same consistency. In with the white and silver. Come in with the Prussian Blue mix. Go in with some white. Now the white and the silver are very close to each other, so I think I'm going to do another strip of each of the blues. Just move those out of the way. I'll blow those out. I think I'm going to start on this one, and I'm going to try and blow this section and this section downward, and then the center section upward. So I'll start in the center and work my way up. Oh my. Oh wow. I almost want to add more, but then I don't because I know if I do, I'll ruin it. So let's give it a torch and see where we stand. Okay, I think I'm just going to use my straw and blow out a couple places. I got this table. So I gotta say, I really like it. I have these two 18 by 24 inch canvases that I've wanted to do the diptych for a while and was very intimidated by them. But this is just absolutely amazing, and I think that on a larger scale it would be even more so. So I'm really happy. I'll bring it down for a close-up.